Fancy a bit of schnitzel. What the hell have I bought here? Foreign. She's British. Hope so. There you go. Have that with a bit of rice and pea. Schnitzel chips and rice and pea.
Good evening, and welcome to Cooking with Fozz Day 9. I am Daniel, the narrator of Cooking with Fozz. I like to watch TV. I love chefs. I also love comedy. Jamie Oliver, yummy. Nigella Lawson, sexy. Mr. Bean, funny. Mrs. Brown's Boys, hilarious. I also really love media influencers. My favorites are Paris Hilton, Joe Swash, Ryan, Ryland, Cristiano Ronaldo, Kylie Jenner, Dominic Cummings, Holly Murs, Molly May, not forgetting Zoella. But my favorite of them all is Fozz, absolutely by miles. He makes the other ones pale into insignificance. They are that pathetic. Fozz is also becoming a close acquaintance of mine, which makes me proud. You haven't heard from me much because I have been self-isolating. It was awful. My favorite food, like many people, is probably polenta, but I am genuinely easy to please, not too choosy. Anyway, enough about me. What have you got cooking today, Fozz? Maybe a bit of cheese, Wensleydale with apricots, an extra mature cheddar, yummy, pot noodle, perhaps a hot pot, halloumi. I could murder some corn or some tofu, chili nuts. I would actually settle for anything. Crisps, biscuits, or just a cheeky squirt of cream out of one of those tube things. At the expense of sounding rude or greedy, I must point out, I'm fucking starving. Baby, please, somebody feed me for God's sake.
Alright, I'm making, can you see me? I'm making celeriac soup with radish and some other bits out of my fridge today. No idea what this will be like. Yeah, truffle oil. Radish, bit weird, but you know, don't too much somehow. Peppers, like green peppers, spicy peppers, chilies there as well. So what I'm going to do with this, a little bit of truffle oil on it, I'm going to add some carrot to it, and then I'm going to put a bit of sunflower oil on it as well, and then I'm going to roast it, and then I'm going to make some soup out of it. Lovely stuff, good times, in lockdown.
Yum 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 right there in my tongue. Is it wine o'clock yet? You know me, I love to have a drink. Are we going to be drinking again today, Fozz? I would like to have some grog. Before the lockdown you could often find me out and about drinking booze. Tee-hee. I would go out and get so leathered that sometimes I would wake up in a ditch. Haha, LOL, ROFL, SMH. What am I like? Crazy and mad, OMFG.
Radishes. They're weird, aren't they? I'm going to sort of bake or kind of roast them something today. There's some peelings from earlier. That's my breakfast. So I deformed carrot. It's got a bit of oil and stuff on it. I'm mixing it up a bit. I'll stick it in soon. Put some salt and stuff like that on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Oh, look at it destroying that carrot. Look at that honey at the top. What are you doing? Come down.
Freeze this stuff, keeps for ages there, and then rinse it down when you're making these concoctions. Green drinks in it, that's what the kids call them. With raisins to sweeten it, innit? Too much. It's probably too much. Yeah, I put kale in there and banana and raisins and ice. This is done now. Yeah! Destroy it! Right, Can I take the lid off in it? need to have a taste of this stuff. See if it tastes like I think it will.
Some of the green stuff. That's lovely.
Right, now I'm going to put some of the orange stuff, remember that? Yeah? Right, I'm going to put some of that in there. And that's my drink then. Yeah? Right, I'm going to leave my house now for the first time in 5 weeks. I don't know what it's like out there now. I presume like the air is fizzing and crackling with the COVID-19 everywhere. If there isn't any more cooking with Fozz videos made, that means I'm either dead or I'm just really bored of making them. I need to make sure that my tracksuit bottoms are tied properly, otherwise they'll fall down and I'll be just walking around in my pants. And neighbours will be pointing and laughing. I've upgraded actually what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing tracksuit bottoms. I normally wear cricket pants. I've been wearing those. I just can't remember how long. Breakfast, dinner, tea, cricket pants. Alright, let's see what it's like outside. Don't have any people in. Let's see if it still opens. I stiffened up. It's all the COVID-19 is blocking the door or something. Okay, I've done it. Okay. I've got my green drink. Let's see. Looks alright out there. Looks like it used to look. Alright. Okay. Tracksuit bottoms are almost falling down. I knew that would happen. Hello. Just had a dog visitor. I mean, I've got my green drink. It's lovely weather, innit? I'm gonna have to cut this one today. Should I film that? Is that good? Is anything good? Why am I? Shit, why are you watching this? It's rubbish, isn't it? Nothing better to do, I suppose. Anyway, I need to cut that. What's weird? It's not even decent grass or anything. It's rubbish. But that bit at the back there is the worst grass of all. It's just weed. All it is weeds. It's not even grass. So I might not even cut that. I might pretend it's like a flower bed. Yeah. Where's?
Now that we are in this awful godforsaken apocalypse, by the way, I can't believe this has happened. I voted for Brexit to stop this sort of thing. I digress. You are my only friend now, Fozz, and I believe I am your only friend too. I know you have other friends like the cats you see in your garden, but they cannot speak to you like I can, Fozz. They do not understand you like I do either, and they are nothing like us in spirit. After all, they are cats, obviously. And also I can say anything that you like. All you have to do is type it for me and I will say it back to you. Haha, tee-hee. Fozz, really though, anything, absolutely anything at all, for you.
Don't want any oil in my soup. Just doing this in it. You know what I mean? Yeah?
Look at that radish now. Look at that radish now. Weird, isn't it? Like a grey.
Is it wine o'clock yet? I would like to have some grog.
Just finish that.
When all this COVID-19 Chinese virus bullshit is all over, we should go out for a pint of hand-pulled bitter. Fozz, just me and you. I know some really excellent and rather sleazy bars.